Guys, our next activity for writing is we are going to do number 11, slide 11. So if you would go to slide 11, and we're going to kind of talk about show, don't tell. So for this activity, we're going to work on showing readers where you are. Show readers where you are. Okay, I'm going to read an example to you, and I want you to think about the way this author wrote about the beach and how they were showing me, not just telling me where they were at. Let's this first example. I can smell the ocean. I love it, my mom exclaimed as we drove our rented minivan toward our hotel with the windows rolled down. My mom had gone to school near the beach and had always talked about going on a trip back with us. But until this trip, my dad always insisted that we didn't have the money or the time. She had pictures of beaches all over our house, and I had seen images of the beaches in movies, but I didn't understand the hype. So do you hear how the author wrote, I smell the ocean? I knew exactly where she was at just by saying that. Okay, so I want you to think about some of these examples that I have here. First one, it says, I was at the water park. So what is a way that you could tell the reader that you were at the water park, but not just say the words, I was at the water park? Okay, I'm going to give you an example for this one, and then I want you to do the others on your own. Okay, here's my example. I set my towel down on a lawn chair and immediately smelled sunscreen in the air. Okay, so that's kind of my way of saying I'm at the water park without really saying that at the water park. Uh, you could continue with that as I looked around in my eyes, catching sight of a huge inner tubes filled with people spinning down slides. Excitement was building inside of me. Okay, now I want you to try the ones we went to the movies. And then I went to the kitchen. Okay, and as you finish that, you're going to go back to your drafting, and I want you to add um, some information, different. Look back in your story. I'm sorry. Guys, look back in your story and see if you can see places in your story where you can show, not just tell, what you've done or where you're at.